This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for May 10th. Well, I know I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but Friday saw corn once again make new life of contract highs for both the old and new crop contracts. The market continues to be fueled by increasing concerns about the drought in the western corn belt and the fear that the drought conditions will spread into the eastern corn belt. That, coupled with the drought-threatened second crop corn in Brazil and strong demand here in the U.S., is still providing enough fuel to keep the bulls fully engaged. The bean market caught fire as we set new life of contract highs in both the old crop July and new crop November futures contracts. We had a sharp increase in soybean meal futures, which resulted in a daily gain in the July board crush of 18.5 cents, putting the crush at 82.75 cents. In layman's terms, that means that even at these price levels, they can still make good returns crushing soybeans, which means that demand at the domestic level at least should remain strong. All three classes of wheat were higher, with Kansas City and Minneapolis futures setting new life of contract highs. This market continues to be strengthened by dry weather concerns, although weather in the U.S. plains seems to be shifting into a forecast in the 11 to 15 day time period that will provide relief for drought-stricken areas of hard red spring wheat country. On the export front, U.S. wheat is now trading at a level that is $40 per metric ton higher than Russian FOB values, so it's probably going to be tough for us to compete in the export arena. Cotton futures gave up about half of their previous day's close, with the July futures finishing 92 points lower, settling at 89.66. And livestock futures were mixed. At the close, June live cattle were 55 cents higher, while August feeder cattle were 87.5 cents higher at the closing bell. Lean hog futures finished the week on a lower note, with the June futures $1.62.5 lower for the session. Class 3 milk futures continued to leak lower. At the close, May futures were 8 points lower as they settled at 18.82. And meat cutout values were mixed. Choice box beef was 49 cents lower, closing at 305.88. Select boxes were up by 91 cents, settling at 290.27. While pork carcass cutout values were a touch weaker, finishing 7 cents lower as they settled $113.79 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.